Hi, are you someone who's been trying to get into the field of AI, learn what large language models are, develop your own application that uses LLMs to answer your questions or organize your calendar and so on? You're in the right spot. Today, we're going to learn just that. Hello, I'm Arthi and I've been doing this for a while now. I'm creating videos that explains AI and different AI methodologies in simple English so that anybody who wants to get into AI can jump right in. So, have you ever used Google search, Siri, or even ChatGPT for that matters? Then you've used NLP, which is called natural language processing. So in this video, we'll break down what NLP is, why it matters, and even write a small piece of code so that you can see it in action. So why are we getting started with NLP first? It's because in order to understand what large language model is, you need to understand the basics. So let's start with natural language processing. So NLP is the branch of AI that helps computers understand, process, and generate human language. Basically, it's how we teach machines to kind of talk to us in a language that we can understand instead of, the common ones and zeros. Think of it like giving computers a translator so that it can translate human language into machine language and then machine language into human language. Now, where do you see NLP in action? Well, pretty much everywhere. So you have chatbots and assistants like Siri, Alexa, or ChatGPT. Sentiment analysis on tweets. So you're thinking whether this post is a positive post or a negative post. Search engines that understand intent, not just keywords. Translation tools like Google Translate. The examples are like enormous. Take the sentence, I'm feeling blue today. Does this mean that the person has actually turned blue, like, having been stung by a snake or something? Or that they're really sad? NLP figures that out for you. So in order to understand or in order to get started with natural language processing, the first step for you is to process your text or pre-process your text. So the machine cannot understand your language as is. So it needs to be undergone some kind of a pre-processing before feeding it into the actual machine. So traditional text pre-processing is like rule-based. If you search the word car, it only looks for car. It's like Control F, find car, and then replace it with something similar to that. NLP, on the other hand, looks for meaning. So it understands that car, the automobile, and the vehicle are related. That's a huge leap forward. Let's try something simple. Before NLP can understand text, we need to clean it. Here's a tiny Python script to clean raw text by lowercasing and removing punctuation. That is cleaning 101 for you. You first import string and then you assign a variable called text where you give hello and give a couple of exclamatory mark. This right here is an example with 3 dots, and NLP is fun with a smiley. Now you want to turn the whole text into lowercase. For that, you assign or you format that specific variable text by text.lower. So the lower function, you've imported it from the function string. And then you're going to clean the text and then assign it to the variable clean text. How are you going to clean it? So text.translate, and then within it you're going to do string.makeTrans, and then within codes you're going to remove punctuation by string.punctuation. So when you print the cleaned text, it gives you hello. This right here is an example. NLP is fun. That is step 1 of any NLP pipeline. So to recap, NLP is all about teaching machines to understand human language. You've seen real-world examples like chatbots, search engines, and translation. And you wrote your very first text cleaning script, the first step in any NLP project. The next module will dive deeper into text pre-processing and learn more about tokenization, stop words, bagging, and so on. So if you like this video and if you want to check out more of videos like this, hit that subscribe button and jump right into my YouTube video. See you next time.